AA. I'm planning, anonymer Alkoholiker. I'm planning to buy a house or apartment in B area in NRW, so North Rhine-Westphalia, with 3.5 rooms with 350K. And it should be a new building or almost new, recently built. Are you planning to? Okay, okay. Is it possible or am I dreaming? This would be for my own use, not... Yeah, I mean, check ImmoScout, the big web, probably, yeah. I mean...
It depends where in NRW, but if you talk about Düsseldorf, Köln, for 3.5 rooms, no, that's probably somewhere around 3.5 rooms, newly built. Yeah, Eigenkapital almost 100K. Yeah,
which is good, but I wouldn't put everything into the property. But having it is good.
Yeah,
having it is good.
It's good. I mean, every one of us has the dream to have their own property, right?
Yeah, this is what you said the last time, and I said,
come on. Yeah, but you know, yeah,
many people.
Okay, many people. I mean, the other part is if you're having your own house, let's say you have a house, everything is perfect, and you're kind of tired, you want to move out, then what do you have to do? You have to sell it, you have to kind of, It's also beneficial for renting. You rent it, you can move, right? But yeah, a lot of people have that vision to buy their own property.
Yeah. Many people do. That's true.
But yeah, amazing. If it's good, if it's a newly built AA, so yeah, why not? But as Axel mentioned, if you, that's even more, 350. Yeah, it's not. It's a little bit less than 50%. Yeah, try to take a little bit more out of that and probably invest as well. So,
I mean, 100K invested would have a pretty nice return. Yeah, a lot more than if you put it into your house. And keep in mind that if it's a house, it's not about mortgaging the property, because if you move into this house or apartment, there's furniture. You maybe need to renovate some stuff or paint some walls or whatever. You need to make the garden or something. So don't put everything into the house and then you have to sleep on the floor. Because furniture is also not cheap these days.
Even if you go to IKEA, it's still not cheap.